Kim's Closet is coming out of the Kimberly Chance Atkins Foundation. Kim was a beloved wife, mother, daughter in Rockdale County. She was Teacher of the year that she passed away from breast cancer. Kim was 32 years old. Her husband is Benny Atkins. He and his family own National EMS. And Benny chose to remember Kim by developing a foundation, and through that foundation, we supply mammograms for all women in Rockdale and Newton counties that cannot afford them. We go through the health department, they give a voucher, they come to the hospital, and they can get a mammogram. In 2013, we did in excess of 350 mammograms. Out of that arose the fact that so many women that have breast cancer that may not be insured, they do not have the opportunity to get what they need, such as prosthesis, wigs, hats, scarves, turbans. So we decided, the committee, the foundation, and especially Benny Atkins, I give him all the credit, that we would open Kim's Closet. So when a woman is diagnosed with breast cancer here at Rockdale Medical Center, they will be referred to Kim's Closet, and in that they will get, it's called a gift of hope. And in the box contains a lap blanket, booties, a scarf, a journal, and some other intimate items. If they need a wig and they cannot afford a wig, we give them a wig. If they need a hat, if they need a scarf, if they need anything that relates to what they are going through. Because when you take chemo, you get very cold. So we will supply that for them. This is not a retail shop. This is strictly run by donations, and therefore everything in here is given away. It is not for sale. Now, if a husband or a father or a mother wants to upgrade to a very nice wig, you'll see on the walls around here different wigs, and they may certainly purchase them for a donation, but we are not a retail store. So our goal is to touch women's lives in a way that makes them feel special. They're already going through enough with breast cancer. And as a woman, losing your breast is more emotional than it is anything else. So creating Kim's Closet in the atmosphere that we did was that when they walk into this door, they will realize that they are in a location that cares about them, that wants to love on them, and make them feel special.